more precisely define our objectives, so our use cases, our markets, and what we actually want to implement. And then we need to capture the status quo, the baseline. For this, maybe we need some more metering devices and some demos to capture the existing load profiles, or we can get them from the energy utility companies and they will provide us with some insights. Each demo has unique technical solution, and the next step will be the ordering and the installation of the required equipment. And for this we have 3 phases planned. The first is the pre-demo phase. For a side note, in other working packages we have software that will be developed, as well as system architecture, and like the whole big picture needs also to be tested in a few demos. And so in this pre-demo phase we will have selected use cases and selected demos to implement specific functions. And then we will have 2 main demo phases. In the first demo phase we will use the knowledge we gained from the pre-demo to refine our objectives and also to finish the installation and to connect everything to our system. Then in the second phase, after some fine-tuning and the last adaptation, we will evaluate the results of the business cases as well as the scalability and also the impact we achieved through our project. There are different sectors in buildings like electricity, heating, mobility, or like chemical processes. And when we want to target all of them with devices, we have in each demo very specific technical solutions. But as a general overview, you can say there are generation plants that generate energy for the community or for the building. And you have some plants that consume this energy and also some that are able to store the energy for later consumption. Of those devices, some are inflexible that we just have to consider, and some are flexible where we can actually utilize them to shift the demand or increase or reduce their energy uptake. The first step that we need to do in our working package is to define the desired goals, and this includes the business use cases, so what actually products we want to achieve, but also the key performance indicators, so how we can measure the achievement of these goals. And for this we are developing a framework. Inside this framework, each demo leader has the responsibility to for his demo to further refine the steps and the implementation. For example, I can give insight into the project management in the German demo. One of the most important aspects is to timely start the ordering process for the equipment. And in our case, that would be a battery storage and charging stations. And for this, we developed a Gantt diagram to show when we need to do certain steps. And for example, what we need to do in this process is to find a suitable installation place, to contact the building owners, and after this we need to find companies who can supply the product as well as who can do the installation for us. And the next steps will be that we install the devices, we connect them to the internet, configure them, and also connect them to our software and backends. And then we can start the testing and the further evaluation of the results.